Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a label on Google Maps. Labels are personal markers you can add in Google Maps to make navigation more convenient. Unlike public edits, labels are private and visible only to you. Use them for your favorite places, clients' addresses, or frequently visited locations. Now let's get down to these steps together. The first step is to open Google Maps and sign in. And to do that, now if you're using your mobile device, just go to your Google Maps application, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find this on the App Store or Play Store depending on which device you're using. Now if you're using your computer like me, I'm just gonna go to your web browser and type in the search bar maps.google.com. Now here, once the website appears, make sure you're logged in using your Google account's credentials. As you can see, I'm already logged in. The second step is to search for the location or drop a pin. Use the search bar here. You can search for the location here. Or you can tap to drop a pin on the spot you want to label. Now if you're using a mobile device, you're just gonna have to press on the screen for a while on the location. Now if you're using your computer, you're just gonna right click on it here. After you do that, click save and then label. You can click the location info card, then choose label under the save option. The fourth step is to enter a custom label name. You can add your customer label name like client A, weekend spot, or parking area. And as for the fifth and final step, view labels in your place. You can do that by going to menu, by clicking on the three horizontal lines, and then click your places. You're gonna find it here, and then label to view all your custom labels. Custom labels let you organize your Google Maps for daily life, perfect for business owners, travelers, or busy individuals who want faster access to key spots. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.